Ruby loves corn on the cob. Whoop, that's not Ruby. That's Ruby. But Ruby loves corn on the cob. Baby loves corn on the cob too. Ooh, I got squirted. Tiki bird loves corn on the cob too. And every now and then when they bite into a kernel, I get sprayed. Is that corn, Ruby? Can you say corn? Corn. When she wants a peanut, she says peanut. I don't know if she can say corn or not, but I just saw her squirt some. You might want to rewind it and check that out. Is that good, Tiki? Yeah, it's good. Ruby eats like a little pig. And Baby eats very daintily. Look at you! Look at you, Ruby, good girl. Hello. Whoops, I've had enough. Time to clean my beak. Yep, got my beak dirty, don't like that. Where are you going? Look at you! Hello, Ruby, good girl. What's in here? Oh, more corn. Is that good, Ruby? Oh, Baby says she's had enough. She dropped hers. Was that good, Baby? Says, well, I get this on my beak and have to get it cleaned off. Oh, Tiki's playing with the toy I just made him. Is that a good toy, Tiki bird? You have corn on your beak, buddy. Say hello. Hello. Tiki, hello. Hello. Why don't you all talk when I put the camera on? Why don't you mimic? Say hello. Tiki bird. Hello. Hello. You got corn on your beak, buddy. You got corn on your beak. Hello.